Morning students, I your Vaishali ma'am welcome you once again in Alchemy online tutorials class 2 subject mathematics. In the last class we have started the new chapter which is chapter number 4 subtraction, right? In the last class we have to solve the minus on the number line, how to take out the difference from the number, and that is called subtraction. We have learned through number line. Now today forward we are moving forward to the course book and we will see what is there in the course book. So come, let's read from the course book. As in the last class we have started the chapter number 4 subtraction, and theme is plants and animals, and we have solved some do some activity and solve the number line. Now we'll move forward to the textbook and we will read this sum. So in the first line we will start from Madan is a farmer. He grows different varieties of vegetable on his farm. Every morning he goes to the market and sell them. So Madan is a farmer. Where he is going daily? He is going to his farm. Okay. On a particular day he took 54 pumpkins. Here in the picture you can see yellow pumpkins are there, 87 potatoes and 38 tomatoes to the market and sold. Now this is the quantity 54, 87 and 38 which he has taken to the market. Now the numbers of pumpkin, potatoes and tomatoes that he had sold. So 33 pumpkins sold, 45 potatoes sold and 25 tomatoes also sold. Madan has to calculate the number of vegetables left with him at the end of the day. So here you can see that help him to find the number of vegetables are left. 54 pumpkins he has brought, 33 sold. We have to find how many pumpkins are left. 87 potato he brought to sell in the market and 45 are sold. Now remaining how much left? We have to find. 38 tomato he brought and 25 are sold. So we have to find how much are left. So this we will do the sums and we will find how many vegetables are left with the Madan farmer. So come, let's do this sum on the board. After reading the story of a Madan, a farmer who is a farmer and go to sell the vegetables, right? So what he has said is the sums we have seen. Now we will solve on the board. Now he is going to sell what he had: pumpkins, tomatoes and potatoes and tomatoes. He is going to sell in the market. Now what we have to find is we have to find how much of vegetables are left with the farmer Madan. So come, let's find. So here is the first, which is vegetable, which is pumpkin. So total number of pumpkin Madan farmer is having 54. He sold 33. Now how many pumpkins are left? We will find. So after 3 till 4. After 3, 4. So we will write here 1. After 3 till 5. After 3, 4, 5. How many? 2 on my fingers. So the answer is 21. 21 pumpkins are left with the Madan farmer. Now moving forward to the next vegetable, which is potatoes, right? So total number of potatoes are 87. How many sold? 45 he had sold. Now we have to find how many potatoes are left. So after 5 till 7, we have to count and stop at 7. 5, it is already there. After 5 we have to count 6 and 7. So 2 on my finger. So I will write 2 at one's place. Now 8 minus 4. After 4 till 8. So we have to start the counting at 4 start with counting after 4 till 8. After 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many on my fingers? 4 on my fingers. So how many potatoes are left? Can you see? From 87 potatoes, 42 potatoes are left with the farmer Madan. Now, last vegetable which we are going to find out is 38 tomatoes are there. From 38 tomatoes, he sold 25. Now, how many tomatoes are left? Let's calculate. After 5 till 8. After 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, 3 on my fingers. So, I will write here 3 and after 2 till 3. After 2, 3. Only one finger on my hand. So, how many tomatoes are left? 13. So, you have to write the answer at the last. 21 pumpkins. Then 42 potatoes. And 13 tomatoes. Are left. Okay. So I hope the concept is clear of the story of the Madan farmer. Yes. If you are not knowing, you can read it once again from the textbook. So this type of sum we have already done in the last class also. So it is the basic sum that we have started in this chapter. Now further we are moving as we have learned in the addition, 1-digit sum, 2-digit sum, 3-digit sum. In the subtraction chapter also we will learn the same. There are some properties, there are some fractions what we are going to learn in this chapter. So till then students, thank you and have a nice day.